Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click link below. Introduction. Are you looking to improve your home but don't know where to start? Home improvement projects can be overwhelming, but with the proper guidance, you can turn your house into the home of your dreams. In this blog post, we'll explore some tips and tricks for how to home improvement, from planning your project to executing it with ease. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, these tips will help you achieve the home transformation you've always wanted. How to home improvement. Tips and tricks for a successful project. Are you tired of the same old look of your home? Do you want to add value to your property? A home improvement project may be just what you need. However, deciding where to start and how to go about it can be overwhelming. In this blog post, we'll share some tips and tricks for how to home improvement and create a successful project. Plan your project. Before you start any home improvement project, it's essential to plan it out. Decide on the project's scope, set a budget, and create a timeline. Doing this will help you stay on track and prevent surprises or delays. Consider hiring a professional contractor or architect to help you plan and ensure your project is feasible. Focus on the essentials. When it comes to home improvement, it's easy to get carried away with unnecessary additions or upgrades. Instead, focus on the essentials that add the most value to your home. This includes things like replacing outdated appliances, upgrading your HVAC system, or adding insulation to improve energy efficiency. These improvements will enhance your home's functionality and save you money in the long run. Choose quality materials. When selecting materials for your home improvement project, it's important to choose quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality materials will ensure your project lasts longer and looks better. Selecting materials that complement your existing home style and decor is essential to create a cohesive look. Versus hiring professionals. Deciding whether to DIY or hire a professional for your home improvement project can take time and effort. While DIY projects can save money, they can also be time-consuming and may turn out differently than expected. Hiring a professional can be costly, but it ensures your project is completed correctly and satisfactorily. Consider your level of experience and the scope of the project before making a decision. Prepare for the unexpected. Even with careful planning, unexpected issues can arise during a home improvement project. Preparing for the unexpected is essential by setting aside a contingency budget and allowing extra time in your timeline. This will enable you to address any issues that may arise without derailing your entire project. Conclusion. In conclusion, home improvement projects can significantly add value to your home and create the space of your dreams. However, it's important to approach these projects with careful planning, focus on the essentials, and use high-quality materials. Whether you choose to DIY or hire a professional, prepare for the unexpected and always prioritize safety. Following these tips and tricks for home improvement can ensure a successful project and achieve the home transformation you've always wanted. So why wait? Start planning your next home improvement project today and watch your home come to life. Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click link below.